I wanted to talk about how asymmetrical transfer is a type of interaction. Now, within subjects design, asymmetrical transfer is an interaction between the independent variable and the order of conditions. If you have an interaction between the independent variable and the order of conditions, like we see here, then you have asymmetrical transfer in your data set. Let's go over this example on the screen to help us understand why asymmetrical transfer is a type of interaction. This study is a taste test study in which each participant is tasting orange juice and rating it, and is also tasting milk and rating it. Each participant is tasting both drinks, so this is a within subjects design. This study has one independent variable, which is type of drink, and the two levels are orange juice and milk. We have an orange juice condition and a milk condition. Two participants were assigned to the A-B order. These two participants tasted orange juice at time 1 and rated it, and tasted milk at time 2 and rated it. The other two participants were assigned to the B-A order. These two participants tasted milk at time 1 and rated it, and tasted orange juice at time 2 and rated it. So these two participants had orange juice first and milk second. These two participants had milk first and orange juice second. We can see that the two participants who were assigned to the A-B order gave high ratings to the orange juice, but gave low ratings to the milk. The reason why they gave low ratings to the milk is because they had orange juice first, and after drinking orange juice, the milk didn't taste good. And since the milk didn't taste good, these two ratings at time 2 ended up being low, and the mean of these two ratings ended up being low. The two persons who were assigned to the BA order had milk first, so they gave high ratings to the milk. They gave high ratings to the milk because they were drinking the milk first, and the milk tasted fine because they hadn't had any orange juice before drinking the milk. When these two participants tasted the orange juice at time 2, they also gave high ratings to the orange juice because the orange juice tasted fine. The taste of the orange juice wasn't affected by having milk at time 1. If you drink milk first and then drink orange juice second, the milk won't affect the taste of the orange juice very much. So these, since these two ratings were low, and this mean was low right here, there was a pretty steep drop-off from this orange juice mean to this milk mean right here. It drops off by 3.5. But when we look at the two participants who were assigned to the BA order, there's a little bit of a drop-off from the orange juice mean to the milk mean, but it's not very much of a drop-off. It only drops by 0.5. That's because when these two people had the milk at time 1, and the milk tasted fine. Since this drop-off right here is a larger drop-off, and this drop-off down here is smaller, we have an interaction between type of drink and the order of conditions. This AB line is connecting the mean of right here and this mean right here. It's connecting the mean of these two orange juice ratings and the mean of these two milk ratings. So it's going from 4.5 down to 1. This BA line right here is connecting these two means. It's connecting the mean of 4.5 and 4, so it's not as much of a drop-off. This steep line is connecting the mean of orange juice at time 1 with the mean of milk at time 2, and it's a steep drop-off. This line is connecting the mean of orange juice at time 2 and the mean of milk at time 1, which isn't very much of a drop-off. It drops from 4.5 down to 4. So we have an interaction between the independent variable and the order of conditions.